How to convert raster images into vector images using Adobe Illustrator. First, let's assess the clarity of our image, which is currently not good. To enhance its quality and facilitate further edits, we must convert it into a vector format. Begin by selecting the image and accessing the Image Trace option. Navigate to the Image Trace panel. And, in the Mode section, opt for Color. Increase the radius of path and corner. Once satisfied, click on the Expand button, transforming the raster image into a vector format. Now, compare the image's quality, before converting into vector format and after converting into vector format. Additionally, you have the flexibility to make edits, such as altering the colors individually.